Good morning, fam. You've made it here, and that's already a win. Today, we're unlocking every part of your body, from head to toe, because you deserve to feel your best as you take on the day. This routine is perfect for anyone feeling stiff, tight, or needing a boost of energy and flexibility. No fancy equipment required, just a mat, your breath, and a small space to move. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or soaking in the morning sun outside, this is your moment. We'll start by grounding with calming stretches to wake up your spine and hips. Move into flowing motions to activate your core and legs, and finish with gentle poses to stretch and relax the upper body. I promise, by the end of this routine, you'll feel balanced, refreshed, and ready to conquer anything. Let's hit the mat. Let's ease into the day by flowing between grounding and lifting. It's like charging your internal batteries. Starting child's pose, sinking your hips back toward your heels and reaching your arms forward. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, flow forward, lowering your hips and lifting your chest into cobra pose. Let each movement be slow and fluid. This dynamic stretch creates movement in the spine, releases tension in your lower back, and gently stretches your hips and shoulders. If your lower back feels tight, don't lower fully into cobra. Stay on your forearms in sphinx pose. Flow back into child's pose one last time, and let's move into a steady rhythm with cat-cow. Now, let's loosen up the spine even more. Imagine each movement like oiling a creaky door hinge. Come onto all fours. Inhale, arch your back, lifting your chest and tailbone. Cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tucking your chin and tailbone. Cat pose. Move slowly, letting your breath guide the flow. This stretch enhances spinal mobility, improves posture, and wakes up the back and neck. Place a cushion under your knees for comfort. Take one more round of cat-cow, and we're heading into a stretch that brings length and energy to the whole body. Time to feel that full body stretch. Let's wake up the legs, spine, and shoulders. Press your palms into the mat. Lift your hips high toward the sky, and let your heels sink toward the floor. Keep your knees soft if your hamstrings feel tight. This stretch energizes the whole body, improves flexibility in the hamstrings, calves, and spine, while relieving tension in the shoulders. Bend your knees deeply if needed, focusing on the length through your back. Take a deep breath here, and let's bring it down to the mat for some hip opening. Let's activate the hips, the foundation of lower body strength and mobility. Kneel on the mat, knees hip width apart. Inhale as you lower your hips toward your heels. Then exhale as you press forward, squeezing your glutes at the top. This stretch strengthens the hips, glutes, and lower back while increasing mobility in the hip joints. Place a cushion under your knees for added support. Are you feeling that activation? Let's dive into a deeper hip opener. Time to deepen that hip flexibility. Your body will thank you for this one. Stand with your feet wider than hip width. Drop into a squat, bringing your elbows inside your knees. Press your palms together. Use your elbows to gently open your hips. This stretch opens the hips, engages the inner thighs, and improves lower body flexibility. If it feels intense, use a chair for support as you squat. Stay low in that squat, and now we'll add some flow. Fam, you're doing a great job so far. You're halfway through, and I know you're feeling those hips opening and the body waking up. Before we dive into the next sequence, I want to remind you that I have a special gift for you at the end. So stick around. Let's keep moving. Let's connect the core and spine with some balance work. It's all about control here. On all fours, extend your right arm forward and your left leg back, creating a straight line. Hold briefly, then return to center. Repeat on the other side. This move strengthens the core, stabilizes the spine, and improves balance. If balance is tricky, keep your hand or foot lightly touching the mat. Bring it back to all fours and we'll release any lingering tension. Time to give the lower back and hips some love. This is like a hug for your body. Sit on the mat with one leg extended and the other bent, hugging your knee to your chest. Sit tall as you breathe deeply and switch sides after a minute. This stretch relieves tension in the hips and lower back, improving flexibility and posture. If sitting feels tough, lean against the wall for support and finish strong. Let's open the chest and finish on a high note. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, and press up, lifting your chest while keeping your elbows soft. This stretch opens the chest, lengthens the spine, and promotes relaxation. If it feels intense, keep your elbows bent in Sphinx pose. Now lower down slowly and press back. Let's end where we began. grounded and calm. Sink your hips back toward your heels. Stretch your arms forward and rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe deeply and let your body relax. This stretch releases tension in the back and hips, promoting full body relaxation. Use a pillow under your hips or knees for extra comfort. Take one more deep breath in child's pose and come up slowly. Fam, you crushed it. You've stretched, strengthened, and centered yourself. Before you leave, remember, you've already won the day just by showing up. Next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play. It's that simple. And that can only happen if you subscribe to the channel. Invite your friends to join the journey. Accountability is more fun together. And oh, I've got a gift for you in the description. Go check it out. Stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.